Right, so today this one's going to be about order blocks. Now, see, with order blocks are very subjective. Like, different people explain them in different ways or even say they're two different things. Now, there's like two sort of ways I can explain an order block. Now, the first one is basically the last down candle before a big move up that has also swept liquidity. If we're bullish, if we're in an uptrend, we've got the right bias. Now, that's one where normally when it revisits that zone, it's going to be going back up. People you can buy there. You know what I mean? You can enter longs there. People trade off order blocks like supply and demand. But and then also, like when you're watching in live time, if price has swept liquidity and price has swept liquidity, it's going up, and it's basically you want to look for. So in live time, if I've entered a long here, and I see a down candle sandwiched in between two up candles, you want to see that up candle, the bullish candle after this one, close above that bearish candle, and also leave an imbalance, a gap in price. You see how price has quickly come back into the zone and then gone up. Now, let me find another little example. I mean, here's one. They are very subjective, and I might not be explaining it properly first time round, but I'll therefore do a part two. Now, this is one here. You see how we swept liquidity, we swept the low, and then we have displaced past these highs, and then proceeded to also here. Price has gone up. Taking out highs, leaving a nice big gap. Now here as well, the last down candle before a big move up. But the best way, I'm trying to explain it the right way. So like, if this price has already played out where the order block is, and you're looking for like a target that price is going to come back down to, then yeah, you just want to look for a sweep, and then the last down candle before the big move up, displacement. But then if you're watching in live time and you're in a trade, you're basically watching price play out. Let's say you're already in a trade now. If you're watching price go up, and same for here, you want to look for, and you see a down candle, like a decently obvious down candle that is between two up candles, you want to see the next candle close above it and leave a gap. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, but you don't want to see price come back below. You don't want to see price close back below this candle. See how it hasn't closed below, it's come back down and it's gone up. Same here. You're watching this in live time. It's a down candle, an obvious down candle after sweeping some sort of liquidity, because at the end of the day, an imbalance, FEG is still the same as a low on a different time frame. It's still liquidity. Yeah, so price has left the gap and it's closed above. It's closed above this high and left the imbalance. Basically, yeah, if there's anything I'm not sure on, any little points I've said wrong, or yeah, I should be showing more examples, to be honest. Let me think. I'm trying to think of a good versus a bad example. I should find examples before I even start the video, but you lot gonna have to bear with me. See, like here. Price. If a candle closed back below this low of this down candle, then you know, like, cool, might reverse, or we're at least gonna fill in this imbalance here. But you see how price rejected this zone? Very, very, very bullish reaction. Very bullish reaction. Very, very bullish reaction. It's rejected off here. It's created an imbalance here, and it's gone up. See, I don't really use order blocks at all, and I ain't looked at order blocks in a very long time. But I hope you get the gist of it. Yeah. But it's very important that after it's left this order block, after the order block, there's a gap in price. See that even here. Here's a very good example. I mean, really, price is just visiting this order block. And it's also put one in itself. But you see how this candle here, this down candle between up candles that I started to move. This isn't as much of a strong PD array as this one would be, because it has left this imbalance and it's closed. It's gone up with serious momentum. Same with this one. It hasn't really. It's left a gap here, but it's like flat 3 candles after. Whereas this one, straight away. This one, same thing. No gap. This one, left a gap. But yeah, like I was saying, if I left anything, forget anything, or I'm not sure on, leave a little comment, and then yeah, I'll try to cover that.